Hi, I'm Daniel Green and welcome to the Gourmia kitchen. I remember our first home ice cream maker. It wasn't very expensive, but then again, it wasn't very good either. After it churned for what seemed like hours and then you'd get about half a pint of ice cream, I'm happy to say those times have changed. The Gourmia Sweet Scoop ice cream maker is the most advanced, easy to operate home ice cream maker, frozen yogurt and sorbet maker I've ever seen. The LCD control panel and built-in timer take all the guesswork out of making all kinds of frozen desserts. But the best thing about the Sweet Scoop ice cream maker is that I know exactly what is going into it, like fresh cream, fresh eggs, fresh fruit, natural flavorings, and absolutely no stabilizers or preservatives. It's way healthier and it tastes a lot better too. Let's make some ice cream. There's a lovely recipe book with a dozen delectable desserts for you to try. And not just ice cream. The Sweet Scoop is perfect for sorbets, sherbets, and frozen yogurts too. Let's go for a classic honey vanilla ice cream. The ingredients, as I said, are all natural. Whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, organic honey, vanilla, and a touch of salt. Simmer all together and chill in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight. Once our base is thoroughly chilled, I pour it into the ice cream maker and set the timer for 40 minutes. Now, this part is complicated. Press start. Our homemade, all-natural, chemical-free honey vanilla ice cream has been in the freezer for 4 hours. Now just scoop. Oh, look how rich and creamy that is. Into some serving bowls, and all you do is garnish with whatever you want and serve. If you have a family, the large quart and half quart capacity of the Sweet Scoop is really what you need. But with homemade ice cream this good, I can't promise that it will last very long.